I know people who are getting tens of thousands of pounds in affiliate commissions every single day, right? So it's really crazy what you can do. So that's the third thing. I want to tell you how you can make a minimum of $100 a day doing affiliate marketing, and you can probably make a lot more than that. You could also probably make a bit less than that, but just as a base, I want to go off $100 a day. That should be your aim. That's about $3,000 a month, and that is plenty to live off. So that is what we're going to talk about, affiliate marketing today. I'm going to put my phone on silent. So before we get started, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done that. I'm doing a 100-day content challenge. This is day something, I don't know, it will be in the corner. And yeah, this is the intro. And I hope that makes sense, what the 100-day content challenge is. I also post on LinkedIn, Instagram, all over the place. The social buttons will appear somewhere, but whatever. Forget that. We're now talking about how you can make $100 in a day doing affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's really simple. Affiliate marketing is basically when you sell someone else's tool or service or product and you get a commission for it. So if you have an online course on how to do handstands, this is just made up, and you're charging $100 for it, and you have an affiliate program giving away 50% commissions, if I go and sell your program, I would get $50, right, as a commission. Okay, so that's what an affiliate program is. And now I'm gonna tell you how, I'm gonna go into the computer and I'm gonna show you how we can find new up and coming, really hot affiliate programs. I'm gonna tell you how you can sell those programs for free, because the title of this video is how you can earn $100 a day without spending anything. I don't want to clickbait that. So I'm gonna show you how you can sell those affiliate programs for 100% no money, totally free. And after that, I will also show you ways that you can actually put money into it if you want to scale it, but by no means is that important, okay? The important bit is how you can do it for free without spending any money. So let's get started straight away. So the website we're gonna be using is called Muncheye, okay? Muncheye.com, and this website basically tells you all the big launches, all the launches really, of new up and coming tools or courses or whatever they may be. And then it tells you the big launches that are up and coming. So you can see the 19th of December, 26th of December, all these courses are up and coming, okay? So we're going to go through and click on one of them so that you can see what like the page is and what that all means, and how to actually become an affiliate and how to sell it. So let's pick one. So let's say, this is a great website, by the way. It's linked with JVZoo, which is pretty much where everyone hosts their affiliates dashboards and how it's all worked with affiliate commissions and all of that kind of stuff. So let's go through, and I recognize this name, Brad Stevens. So I'm gonna click this one, okay? So this is launching on the 9th of January. It costs $47 and you get a 50% commission. So 50% commission over here, you can see at $47, and it's called Clipman AI. All right, so let's have a look. Let's go over to here. This is the JV page. Okay, this is the important page. Okay, so
hey JVs, Brad Stevens here.
You can watch the video.
Myself and the clip since they first.
Right, you can watch the video, whatever. But let's go through it. Okay, so first you can read what this whole thing is about, because you may have never heard of Clipman AI, so you might want to read about it before you start promoting it. But anyway, so you can have a look at it and you can see what the offer is and all of this kind of stuff. So you can click here to get your JVZoo affiliate ID and link and all these kind of things that you need. So you have to obviously create a JVZoo account. Again, this takes like 5 minutes and it's so easy. But you'd do that, you'd log in, and then you'd be able to get your links so that you can give to people, because the way they track it is with your unique link. So if you want to sell someone else's product, they need to know who sold their product. So they give you a special link, and in that link, they'll be able to track who got what sale, so they know how to give you your commission. Right, so let's continue going through this page. You've got the going live on January the 9th. Okay, so this looks like a good, I'm really liking this website here. $47 to $67, depending on commercial rights. It looks like this is just all about the tool. I'm not quite sure what this tool is, but again, I'm not going to worry about that now. They've got the first upsell, which is $37 a month, which is cool, because if you sell that, you'll get recurring commissions. They've got any other upsells maybe? They've got an upsell too, which is $197, which would potentially get you $100 from one sale, because 50% commissions. So again, you see how easy it is to get this $100 a day, right? And here's the final summary. So you've got the Clipman AI edition, which is $47 to $67. You've got the first upsell, which is $37 a month, and the second upsell, which is $197. Okay, and then as well as that, I saw before. So this is reviews by everyone doing it, and then I saw that they also have a prize program. Okay, so $10,000 in no minimum prize, which means you don't need to have a minimum number of sales to get these prizes, which is a good thing because that means this is a very popular thing, and he really believes that this is going to do well. Okay, so I like the sound of that. You've got first place prize. If you get the most affiliate commissions, you get an extra $5,000. That's insane. Okay, that is ridiculous. And then second place 2.5, third place 1,000, and it goes all the way down to $25. Okay, and then you're going to be getting email swipes. Now, email swipes. This is all going to come into the how to promote it section of this video. So at the moment, I'm just showing you what this affiliate offer really is. Okay, and then you've got Brad Stevens over here. I have heard of this guy. I'm trying to remember where. Anyway, it's got the details, whatever. Okay, so now this is just one potential thing that you can become an affiliate of. You can become an affiliate of so many different things. If you go through, right, you've got so many different things going on here, right? It's ridiculous. Look how many are going on here. Flipping heck, right? You've got tons of things going on. So there is no shortage of affiliate offers that you can promote. Okay, the hard thing now, you're probably thinking, is how the hell do I actually promote it, right? How do I get people to buy it through me? And that's exactly what I'm going to tell you now. Well, there are many ways you can promote something, and I actually just answered a question on Quora about this. Someone actually asked, how can I make $100 a day? I didn't even realize this video was linked until just now, but someone asked that and I answered it, right? And it's really, really interesting. So you can promote an affiliate deal with Facebook, with Instagram, with YouTube, with TikTok, with Quora, with blog posts. I don't know if I said Facebook, but if I didn't say Facebook, with LinkedIn. Now, all of this is free, right? You can post to social media for free. You might not get many views at the beginning. However, you'll get to a point where you'll be getting a few thousand views per month, depending on how good your titles are, and how good your videos are, and how good you are at the social media marketing side of it, right? You don't have to spend any money. But at the moment, I don't have the biggest channels, but I get well over 3,000 or 4,000 views across my channels every single month. Or actually, no, I get a lot more than that. What am I talking about? I get, it's probably about 10 to 15,000 views per month across my channels, maybe 20, 25,000 views. I don't actually remember off the top of my head. But I've been doing this for a while. So if you're new to it, you can post on Instagram. You can easily get a few hundred views per month on that to begin with. YouTube, again, a few hundred views. And now if you're wondering what you should be posting, and that is what I'm going to tell you, okay? So firstly, the easiest thing to post is a review video, okay? People love watching review videos. So I'm going to break this down into steps, okay? So step one, find an affiliate offer you want to promote. That can be anything. That can be anything you found on this website, MunchEye, and it doesn't even have to be this. It can be anything, right? Photoshop have an affiliate offer. Every product on Amazon has an affiliate offer. You can promote pretty much anything. This studio, right? My laptop, my light, my mic, my camera. I can put the links in the description of this video as a special affiliate Amazon link, and anyone who goes to buy I would be getting commissions. So literally everything has an affiliate offer. So step one is find an affiliate offer, okay? Step two is figure out the marketing. How are you gonna market this affiliate offer? How do you wanna market it? And remember, we're just talking about doing this for free at the moment. So now I want you to write down all the social media channels you think you're gonna wanna do this on. If you don't want to be on video, by all means, you can create articles about it on LinkedIn, on Quora, on Facebook, on your own website, okay? If you don't have a website, then you can do it on blog websites. There are tons of them out there, okay? And most websites, like, you can probably get a free WordPress website. But again, I'm not gonna get into that. So that's step two. Step two is figuring out the marketing, okay? And step three is gonna be figuring out the content. What are you gonna actually talk about? How are you gonna get people interested in the product? So we're gonna use a product called Jungle Scout. You may never have heard of Jungle Scout. It's an Amazon tool to help you find Amazon products if you have an Amazon business, okay? Now, one really popular search term is Jungle Scout review. Okay, so people would search Google Jungle Scout review, or is Jungle Scout worth it, or Jungle Scout price, or Jungle Scout tutorial. Okay, but the most common one is probably Jungle Scout review. Okay, and all you have to do is write a review on the product. So the Jungle Scout, right, is a tool. They have an affiliate program. Okay, so for example, I searched Jungle Scout review here. You can see my search. Okay, and by the way, this is a great plugin. It gives you other awesome keywords. Okay, so you've got, well, firstly, videos come up, right? Tons of videos. Like I said, videos are amazing. Doing video reviews of a product is huge. So you've got this one, this one, this one, right? And I actually saw before, I have two. I've got this one showing up here. This is one of my videos, right? Showing up in the second slide of videos on Google. It's ridiculous. And then I've got another one showing up here, right? How mad is that? I've got two of my videos. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, anyway, I don't see two of anyone else's at the moment. No, I don't. So see, how cool is that, right? And as well as that, you've got blog posts like this one, Jungle Scout Review 2019 Update. Jungle Scout Review, do you need this tool? Okay, so here we go, right? Now he'll definitely have some sort of affiliate commissions, or sorry, he'll have some sort of affiliate links, I mean. Okay, so that's one review, right? You got another one here. People just leaving reviews for this product all over the internet, right? And for example, one of my videos has got nearly 15,000 views. Now I know that's not a lot of views, right? It's not a lot of views, and I don't think it is. I don't get crazy amount of views on my channel, but 15,000 views to this learn how to find 20K per month Amazon products in less than 30 minutes. It's a Jungle Scout tutorial video, right? I put a link in the description to go and purchase Jungle Scout if you like the look of it, and I will get commissions from that. So even if, let's say, 1% of people buy, right? You've got, I don't need to do the math on that, right? I would be getting pretty much, what was it, 15? Around 15 sales from that, which is over $100 for me. And there we go, right? Just from this one video. So, and again, this is one piece of content. You can be posting 3 or 4 pieces of content every single day. You can make this your business, right? Affiliate marketing can be a business. You can be a super affiliate. You can be getting, I mean, I know people who are getting tens of thousands of pounds in affiliate commissions every single day, right? So it's really crazy what you can do. So that's the third thing. The third thing is, what kind of content do you want to be making? So I'm going to give you another example, okay? Let's say you know how to use Photoshop. You know what Photoshop is? Photoshop is that photo editing software. You can like manipulate photos. You can, I don't know, you can give me horns or whatever. Like you can do whatever you want with Photoshop. It's pretty cool, right? Now, as well as Photoshop, the whole Adobe suite, you can be an affiliate to the whole Adobe suite, right? If you know how to use Photoshop, you can create a Photoshop review video. You can create Photoshop versus other tools like GIMP or Canva or anything else. You can then create Photoshop tutorial videos, right? There's so many videos you can create, and not just videos, but all videos you can create, you can turn into articles. And all articles you can create, you can take little snippets and turn them into Instagram posts or Twitter posts or Facebook posts, right? Do you see how powerful social media can be if you use it right? Now, do you think so far you can get $100 worth of commissions a day doing all of this? It's a lot of work, I get that, but again, so is a job a lot of work, right? I work maybe 10, 11, 12 hours a day, so you can understand this would, I mean, I'm not finding you some get rich quick scheme where you can be like, oh yeah, go and buy this tool and I'll get $100 today. I'm making so much money. No, you're gonna have to work in order to get this money. That makes sense. Oh, my phone is going crazy. Right, so you've now got step 1, which was find the deal. Step 2, which is decide like where you're gonna market this deal. And step 3 is what you're going to actually like how you're gonna, like, not where you're gonna market, but how you're gonna market it. So what videos you're gonna use. Okay, now you wanna set yourself aside. This is an extra bonus tip I wasn't actually gonna include in this video, but I'm going to anyway. Now you wanna set aside how you actually give your offer to people, okay? Now, that might sound confusing. That sounds confusing to me. I don't even know what I just said. So basically, let's say I am telling you how good Jungle Scout is or how good Photoshop is, right? And I'm saying, this is amazing. Look at this tutorial. I think you should go and get this program, okay? Now, why should you buy through me, right? I need to give you some sort of incentive to buy through me. You can buy through anyone. You don't have to buy through anyone. You can buy directly from Adobe. So how to make yourself stand out from everyone else also doing this is you want to offer something as like an incentive for signing up through me. So for example, if you signed up through Photoshop through me, now I'm not doing Photoshop, but let's say I am. If you sign up through Photoshop with my link, I will give you a 1-hour Photoshop tutorial video that I haven't posted on YouTube, I haven't posted anywhere, and it will help you from getting from a beginner to an advanced Photoshop user. Now, all that is for me is to create this 1-hour ScreenFlow video, right? And I know how to use Photoshop, so that's very easy for me to do. And everyone who buys, I can say, if you buy through me, send me a link with your email that you signed up with. I can cross-reference that and then I can just send you the video, right? Or you can go a step further and start using funnels into it. So you lead them to the first part of the funnel where that you get their email, then the second part of the funnel where they can sign up for Photoshop, and then the third part is like a thank you page and your free video is on this thank you page, right? So that's just a bit of extra stuff here. Now, if you want me to talk to you more about that, I would love to talk about funnels. I would love to talk about how to really become a super affiliate. And if you want that, let me know in the comments. I don't want to spend too much time making videos that people don't want, but if you want that, let me know in the comments. And if you want to speak to me privately about it, you can DM me on Instagram. I'm Shimmy Morris, or at Shimmy Morris1, and you can speak to me about anything like that. But do you understand this process, right? Do you understand the process now of selling someone else's product and getting paid for it, right? You don't even need to have a product. You don't need to do anything to build that product, right? I can spend months, years making a product, and then you can just come and sell it and get affiliate commission. And the best part of it is you don't need any of your own success stories or any of your own proof, right? You can just say, you can show all of my success stories and all of my proof and be like, look, this is working for these people, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to say it's working for yourself. You can just say you like the program, you endorse the program, you use the program. That's all you have to say. Now, let me just quickly just address an ethical point to all of this, right? I would not personally promote anything I don't feel comfortable with, right? So I should say the same to you. Don't promote something if you don't agree with it, you don't like it, you don't feel comfortable with it, or you don't know how to use it, right? If you don't understand something, don't promote it, because how are you expecting to teach or review or tell other people about something you don't even understand? So make sure that you've done your research, you like the program enough to make a review about it and sell it on to other people, okay? Does that all make sense? I hope that makes sense. I hope you like this video. I'm cutting it short now because I think I've told you everything you need to know about how you can get $100 minimum a day. I feel like you can get $1,000 minimum or $10,000. It's just mad. There's no end, right? It's exponential. Like there's literally no end. Once you get it going, you can scale it, right? And this is what I was talking to you about before with ads. If you have a YouTube video doing so well, you're getting a ton of affiliate commissions through it, kick some ads into that YouTube video, get some paid traffic going to it, and you'll get even more affiliate commissions. The same with Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram, right? If you put a bit of money into it, it will grow even faster. But again, this video is how you can get $100 a day without spending any money. So I hope I've shown you that. I hope that makes sense. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and I can happily do more affiliate stuff, more ClickFunnels stuff, more funnel, all that kind of stuff. Just let me know in the comments. And again, if you haven't liked the video, please like this video. Thank you so much for watching.